Good stuff. But that's the difference between an accordion and an oud.
The tuning has something to do with it.
Yeah, the tuning has something to do. Well, you're going to play us a few pieces.
A tune I heard one time by a person was playing the harp, and it was a slow air, and I thought it was a nice tune, so I'll try that, and I'll maybe run into a couple of polkas.
Well, just before you start there, you said a poem there. Where did you get that from?
I would write poems back and forth and songs, and if I'm interested in drama, I've written a couple of plays, and I haven't got them performed, but it's, have them by and that, and I would like to, the creative writing thing is something that it's just an interest, and
yeah,
I've had some stuff published in newspapers and things,
Yes.
But some people have told me I should put my collection together and publish about the poems and so on. Maybe we'll get around that sometime.
Well, you'll be seeing maybe a wee poem for us after you play a few bits first.
I could do that, okay.
Right, well, I'll not keep you back any longer. Well, what are you're playing two polkas?
I'll play a slow air before it. It's something that I heard a harpist or a harper playing, and I thought it was a lovely air. And as I say, one of the two polkas after that.
Well, I'll step back.
Okay.